First, I labeled the assignments, roll them out, and dice. And then I started the while program to go while the program runs. So while the sum equals 15, not 15, and we know. Well, yeah, well, it's until the sum 15 and no 3. And then I assign the dice again, and then from the range 0 to 5, because that is the dice numbers, and then the numeral, that's the random integers from 1 to 6, because that's how many numbers you said was for the dice. And then the append to make a list, and then the roll them out, assigning it again to make a list of the dice, and then returning the roll them out numbers. And then this definition is the list of all the rows labeled in the list. The 5 row and the sum of the 5 rows.